Hi class, so Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Okay, so in this video, I will show you the example that contains in our slide or not in our resources or textbook. Okay, so you may get this example or the question of this example from the resources tab in ULearn. So because I will not jot down the question. Okay, the question is too long. Okay, because I want to save the time for the video. Okay, alright. Okay. We back to the our content here. I will show you how to answer the example in your PDF textbook lah. Okay, alright. So okay, I go to example 1.6. So you may refer to the PDF document in the book and resources. Example 1.6. Okay, in a survey concerning public education, 400 school administrators were asked to rate the quality of education in Malaysia. Okay, blah blah blah. So it gives you a rating here. Alright, and also the frequency. Okay, my bad tulisan saya memang buruk sikit. Alright, so rating here is A, B, C, D, and the frequency. Okay, for A is 35, for B is 260, for C is 93, and for D. So what's the total here? Okay, you get all the total here is 400. Okay, it's already mentioned in the question actually. It already mentioned. Okay, so now my first question, what variable is this? Qualitative or quantitative? It's a qualitative. Okay, it's a qualitative. So this is our variable rating. Okay, rating is our variable now. So A, B, C, D. So it's not a number, right? So it's a characteristic. So this is a qualitative. Okay, so means that when it's come to qualitative, how to represent the data? Either you use a bar graph or you use a pie chart. Okay, so the question now is, so construct a frequency distribution. Okay, so you may get the whole sentence from the textbook or from the PDF that I already upload in the book and resources. Okay, construct a frequency distribution table which includes values of relative frequency and also percentage. So means that you need to have a table that consists of all these three. Three. The first one is a frequency, and second one is the relative frequency, and the third one is a percentage. Okay, so this is your rating. Okay, actually you may extend from this table. You boleh extend je kat sini. Okay, tak apalah, you do it the another one. Okay, A, B, C, D. Alright, so frequency just now you just copy. Okay, how to get a relative frequency? Okay, for the rating A, to get a relative frequency is 35. The frequency itself for A divided by 400. Okay, so you may get what? 0.008, something, right? So you round off, so you get 0.09. So you do it the same thing for the A, B, B, C, and D. So 260 divided by 400, 90 divided by 400, and 12 divided by 400. Okay, so after you get all this relative frequency, now you can find the percentage. So percentage is nothing much that you can do, just multiply with 100. Okay, just multiply relative frequency with 100. So for example, for A, 0.09 multiply with 100. So therefore the answer will be 9%. That's it. So your frequency just now, the total is 400, and your relative frequency must be 1. Okay, cannot be more than 1. Must be 1. Okay, must be 1 and cannot be less or cannot be more than 1 lah. And your percentage also must be only 100. Cannot be less 100, cannot be more 100. Okay, so if you calculate, then you get your, for example, your relative frequency, for example, 0.09. It's not equal to 1, is it? So means that they have a wrong, somewhere wrong like for in your calculation. Okay, so you may check back your calculation. Okay, alright, so then after you construct, of course, the next question usually must be asked you to form a bar graph or pie chart. Okay, bar graph. So bar graph is the y-axis here. Y-axis here must be a frequency, and the x-axis here must be your characteristic. And for our case now, or our question now, your characteristic is rating. So you have rating A, rating B, and C. So okay, this one, okay, you just label first. Okay, now you have the frequency up till 260, right? So maybe you can put 260 here. So I think 300 lah, 300. So you do lah dia punya apa panggil, sengkang dia ataupun gap dia macam ni, gap 50 kan. Alright, so you plot lah. Okay, because I didn't have enough space, but you can plot until I suggest until 300 lah. Okay, 300. So for example, the for rating A is only 35. So maybe 35 is somewhere here. Okay, this is A. And then for B is 260. So almost 300. So this is B. And then what else? 90 maybe somewhere here. Okay, and then the last one, it will be D. D is 12 only, so it will be somewhere here lah. Okay. Alright, so this is our bar graph. Okay, this is our bar graph. Bar graph is simple, really simple. Okay, so then for pie chart, if okay, for bar graph, we will using a frequency to show or to describe. Okay, for pie chart, we will use a percentage that we have here. Okay, you will use percentage here. So maybe ikutkan kat sini AU berapa. Okay, this is maybe A. Okay, and then the highest one B berapa, and C, and then D. I mean you need to draw your pie chart correctly lah. I just roughly show you how the pie chart looks like. And then what else? You need to label the percentage. For example, A just now is 9%. So B here is what percent? 65% for example. So you need to jot down the percentage in the pie chart. Okay, class? Alright, so this is how we answer the question that regarding the qualitative data. Okay? Alright, okay, so I will stop now for this video because I think I need to make it video shorter, so it's easier for you to understand or to look at back. For example, this video is about qualitative data. Okay, and then the next video I will show you about the quantitative data and so on. Okay, alright.